Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and safe at home. How was your exams? Was it good? All right. Let me ask you one question. Do you miss your school, your teachers, your friends? Yes, of course. What is the importance of going to school? Yeah, from school we get education. School is our second home, isn't it? Yes. But apart from education, school teaches lot of values. Loving, sharing, compassion, kindness, lot of values. Today we are going to learn a new lesson about a different kind of school. Chapter 5, A Different Kind of School, written by E.V. Lucas. Chapter 5, A Different Kind of School. It's written by E.V. Lucas. Our narrator, he explained one of his experience in this lesson. He had heard about this different kind of school, Miss Beam's school. One day, he decided to visit Miss Beam's school. When he entered to the gate, he saw a 12-year-old girl covered her eyes with band-aid and led by a little boy around 8 years. And he was describing all things to her. Next, he visited Miss Beam. She was a middle-aged lady, very kind and helpful. She explained the author about the teaching methods that she followed in her school. She said she taught them spelling, simple arithmetic, and writing. She also read stories for them. But the real aim of her school is not introducing new values or ideas. More than she taught them how to become a responsible citizen. How to become responsible citizen. Our narrator looked out of the window. He saw there were beautiful grounds. But he was so sad when he saw the children were very inactive and unhealthy. He saw two girls covered their eyes with band-aid, one girl on a crutch watching others playing. Miss B said that actually they were not disabled in real. It's part of their training. They were training these students in misfortune. So this taught them how to share in misfortune. So every child had a day. One blind day, one deaf day, one dumb day, one lame day, and one injured day. And other children, their duty was to help them. Miss Beam led our author to the band-aid girl whom he first met. Narrator asked her experience. Then she said The blind day was the worst and tough day for her. They both of them made a book. She asked a lot of questions to the author about color, places, persons, things, etc. Our narrator answered her the best. He gave her the best answers. It was totally a different experience for him. After that, he decided to become 10 times thoughtfulness than ever. What is the moral of the story, children? Yeah, apart from education, we should inculcate good values. We should show sympathy towards others. We should be empathy. We should be honest. We should be kind. And we should always ready to help others whenever in need. Then only we will become good citizens. So I hope you have understood the story. So be honest and be kind and become a good citizen in future. All the best. Thank you, children. Bye.